Hello everybody, today we make zucchini lasagna with a meat sauce. The ingredients we got: meat sauce, zucchini, we use garlic for the sauce, pecorino cheese, mozzarella, and basil. Okay, the meat sauce, what I did, I was mix a little beef and pork, and I brine really good. I like to put the tomato paste and I put garlic. After it ground really good the color, I put wine. After the wine, I put 1 jar tomato sauce, sea salt, black pepper. I cut already this with a knife, and now I want to show. I cut this piece over here out. I cut this piece out, and what I do, you got the little green over here, and I do like this, I don't want to use for the lasagna. And I take it out this piece. Now what I do, I slice the zucchini. And make sure that not be really thin. Little thick like this. And we cut it, and I have this, okay, we make a 2 piece. Alright, and now, we gotta go outside. This is gotta be barbecue. Okay, now the barbecue is 550 degrees. And make sure to clean up good. Now, before I put the zucchini, I like to use potato and no stick. And I slide the potato like this. Whew, okay, now it's done, and now we start with the zucchini. And the zucchini I start like this. Now we close the barbecue and we leave a nice color on one side after we turn on the other side. I don't use no salt. You use salt for the zucchini, it make a lot of water. You want the zucchini to be dry and no seeds inside. This is local zucchini. Okay, it's like 5 minutes, and we turn, and we gotta make sure on the other side it comes the same thing. You see, when you don't use salt, it's no water, it comes nice dry. Alright, now maybe 5 more minutes on the other side. Okay, now we did on the other side. Let's see what it look like. Oh, is it beautiful? Nice dry, it cook. We take everything out. The best thing to do on a barbecue, it come really good. You do on the stove, after it come too much water. Okay, now we start the lasagna. And what I use this spoon, okay, you don't want it too wet, because the zucchini have to make a little water too. And I put a little bit on the bottle like that. And you spread all over the place. Look, the meat sauce, it's all beautiful, all meat. And now we do the frosted lay. And we start like this. One this way, and one the other way. Like this. And one more. And now we need to sauce it again. And you spread all over the place the sauce. Okay, now this layer is done, and now we gotta use the mozzarella. After the mozzarella, we use pecorino cheese. Okay, now we gotta do another layer, the zucchini. And we start zucchini, 1. We do the second layer. And I got the oven on the 400 degrees. Okay. And now, mozzarella. Pecorino cheese. Now this is the last layer we do. Look at this, I got just enough. Really good. And we put another last layer, the sauce. Okay, now the oven is 400 degrees. And this is go right in the oven. Look how beautiful it look. Okay, we cover a little bit now. Okay. Kind want my zucchini to burn. Okay, now it's about 20 minutes. And let's take out because we gotta use the mozzarella. We take this out. Watch it, this is really, really hot now. Oh, look how nice it look. Nice, really good. Close to the oven. And let's put mozzarella. Got the mozzarella, it's a delicious little pecorino cheese. And let's put it back in the oven, maybe 5 more minutes, and this is done. Okay. Good. Really, really good. Okay. My zucchini lasagna. Oh, look how beautiful. Nice. Really, really good. And now we gotta leave it cool off a little bit and relax. Too much, look at the heat. Still boiling. We gotta wait a little bit now before I start the eat. Okay, now it's time to eat. Look good. Yeah, I want to take one piece for me. Oh boy. It's really hot. Really good. It's cooked good. Everything tastes delicious, really good. I hope somebody make this dish. Gets really nice, especially now. Gets a time for the zucchini. Everybody got a zucchini. I got a zucchini in my plant, but this it's really good, especially with the season. It's now zucchini time. Chin chin, salute everybody, and we see next video. Chin chin, salute. Thank you very much.